You know, it's starting to feel like I'm running out of kits to review. Through no fault of my own, of course, it's just a massive gunpla shortage at the moment. Hello and welcome back to another Gunpla review. Today we're taking a look at the Double Rebake rifle from Build Divers Re-Rise. Alright, starting off the review, and we're actually going over articulation because this is actually articulated. You have a ball joint back here. It's pretty loose, though that might just be mine. And this is on a ball joint as well. Not a ton of movement there, but you get a little wiggle. This swivels front to back. And this is on a track, though that's more because it comes off. These are on ball joints and are meant to be removed. And there's a hinge here, but that's for the, rifles. And obviously this just attaches on with the standard 2 pegs. Just grabbed the nearest kit to me being the Gyan Revive. And maybe not the best kit to be showing this off, though it does show that even with bulky shoulders you can still get them over. So actually this doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. Now as for the accessories, or gimmicks, I'm not really sure what to call it in this case. These can come off, and there's a little hole right in the center of them. And you get 2 short wires. You're supposed to poke it through, though it doesn't really want to go all the way through on this one. And then this just plugs up in here. You can see the little port for this. It's not the easiest thing in the world to get plugged in, honestly. And also, to be brutally honest, it doesn't really look that good. It's just a spike on a wire. It's not even long enough to really do much with it. If they'd just given us a full-length wire and have you cut it, that'd probably be better, honestly, because you just have one deployed with full length, but it is what it is. And this can, of course, be done on both sides. Aside from that, you do have the 2 rifles, which just slide off, and you tug on the handle, fold it out, and this is the full rifle. These handles are not compatible with all hands, so, Gundams from the build series are fine, but some Xeon or other various hands might not be compatible. And as for a quick size comparison, it's fairly sizable, honestly. The rifles are actually pretty big and give this a fairly sizable wingspan. So to wrap this review up, the Double Rebake rifle is okay. It has some sloppy tolerances with some of the joints, but that could be fixed. And I do wish they'd given us longer wires, but overall I don't really have any major complaints. I mean, it's fine for what it is, and it does look pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this review. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, helps a lot. Subscribe and hit the bell for future reviews. Go follow me on Twitter for updates, and consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep making reviews just like this one. And as always, until next time, happy building.